Okay, so this today is another maths activity and it's called I'm 8, again by the wonders of Enrich, and I've learnt now that I can put the link in the comments below, so I will do that. But it is called I'm 8 and you can search it on the Enrich site, which is the people that came up with this, and it's really brilliant. It's an activity that is suitable, once again, for a wide age range because it's accessible, because it's got a low threshold, but it's also got a high ceiling. They recommend between 5 and 11, but I reckon, it could go way beyond that, should you wish. It's an investigation and it requires some systematic thinking, and the more good you are at maths, I suppose, then the better and further you can take it. Okay, so simply it says, when I went into the classroom earlier this week, a child rushed up to tell me that she was 8 today. Well, happy birthday to everyone who has a birthday today. This challenge is about finding a variety of ways of asking questions which make 8. You might think of 6 plus 2, or 22 take away 14, or, well, they're endless. However you try to create examples that use all the different mathematical ideas that you know about. So you can use addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. You could even think about using more than one of those things. Once you start exploring the possibilities to make 8, you realise that you can go on and on. So if you've got a more able pupil, you could start thinking about using a variety of different operations. But you also then can take it on to them understanding the effect of BODMAS. So for those of you who don't know about BODMAS, it's worth teaching and looking up on YouTube, but it just shows that you can have, very simply, starting at addition with your, 5 and below, if you use equipment or concrete apparatus for them to be able to work it out. But you can also take it on to a point where you're sort of 11 plus almost level, where you're applying the rules of BODMAS in order to use a multitude of operations in order to get to 8, to reach 8. You can also then challenge them perhaps to do it for their own age. So if you've got a 13-year-old or a 12-year-old or whatever, you could find how many different ways to find 12, how does it affect what you do, etc. And they can explore the numbers in that way. So once again, hope you enjoy. Fun for all the family. You could even try it on your own age.